G'day. The severe engine braking on the Polaris Ute 570, I've overcome that by a simple little modification which cost less than $10. I'll just show you what I've done here. Now, just in this rubber flange between the carby and the cylinder head, I've tapped in there with just a small hose fitting like this and put it in. Bit of heat hose to a solenoid valve, and then I've tapped back into the back of the air filter so you can clean air through. And what it does, you flick the switch on at the top here and it just lets a little bit of extra air through to it, so it idles a bit faster. Some of the bush tracks that I hunt on, they're pretty rough and they got full of rocks and roots and washouts and things, and the engine braking is just too severe. All this costs you less than $10. I'll just show you what it's like. Those revs up a little bit. That will overcome the severe engine braking in your low racing